Our Emperor series of Japanese swords includes a katana, a double-edged katana, a wakizashi, and an otano. All swords feature the finest iron and nickel-silver fittings, traditional black lacquered scabbards, and hilts covered in genuine rayskin and tightly wrapped black silk cord. And the blades are all hand-polished. Light enough to be used comfortably with one hand, and heavy enough to take full advantage of a two-handed grip, our double-edged katana is all about slashing and thrusting. With two sharp edges and a wicked point, it can cut on 360 degrees of the compass and change direction or targets in the blink of an eye. And due to its moderate weight, it can easily be used for a single-hand thrust to outreach almost any sword it opposes.
A little bit of practice and you can do that too. Our Emperor Wakizashi cuts like a hot knife through butter.